A cigarette smoker truly loved this Xbox by the smell and sticky tar clinging to all the dust that made it through the ventilation holes. But now it's mine, and my humble duty to help this poor first-gen Xbox One kick its habit and get clean. Sometimes this channel is not what you expect, sometimes it's mod, sometimes it's what the heck. From the outside, this Xbox One doesn't look all that bad, but by golly, even a power brick fan was caked with airflow robbing dust. Now, a solid state upgrade paired with a thorough cleaning for a quick channel revenue flip would have been the smart thing to do here, but to me, that's boring, especially when I came across a PC case I had stashed for a few years with this kind of build in mind. It's an Azza Z mini ITX case, I believe from 2014 possibly. But before I see if my Xbox One will fit here, I'm going to go ahead and tear it down and clean it first. Ah yes, there's nothing like a good scrubby-dubby to get my imagination going on the good times to come with this console. And for an ITX gaming case, it's very spacious, so I was happy with the mock-up. Now all there is to do is put it all together. So here's the plan. Screw down the cage to the PC, and then the X-clamp screws will hold down the motherboard. I'm not incorporating the Blu-ray drive yet until I have longer cords, but it is needed to be attached for future updates. I'm not sure why, but they just won't install when it's left out. These are self-tapping metal screws that I drilled a small starter hole first and used the angle grinder on the back side to cut down the excess. The HDMI ports and I/O also lined up rather well, so I just cleaned the Xbox power supply brick. I just continue to use it externally. I'm putting a 9-degree angle USB 3 cable in there so I can attach the front USB on the PC case. I also attached a Wi-Fi module with double-sided tape inside the top right of the case with a wire running to the front. Now for the RGB fan, that's held in with 4 wood screws about ½ an inch thick. And from there, well, I guess we just test her out. Hopefully GPU companies will let us budget PC guys break through the wall of ridiculous prices. But until then, hell, you can build something like this. Thanks guys, see you next time.